When the name of Afghanistan is mentioned, everyone is thinking of war, fighting, and destruction.
Afghanistan.
Today, I want to show you the new face of Afghanistan.
Welcome to Afghanistan.
Welcome to Kabul.
Dude, I'm the luckiest man in the whole of Samangan because I met you guys.
So having fun is not banned in Afghanistan.
I think so. I think that we got arrested.
बताऊँ ना, लेकिन मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था कि अफगानिस्तान में ऐसा मार्केट, ऐसा मॉल देखने को मिलेगा.
You may heard it's dangerous, but thousands of foreigners keep returning. Why? Because what they discover changes everything. International newspapers in major news channels have increasingly highlighting the surprising rise in tourism to Afghanistan since the Taliban took over. Since 2021, thousands of foreigners are flocking to Afghanistan to see the culture, history, and natural beauty of Afghanistan. However, what they find when they arrive. Is it safe to visit Afghanistan? Let's discuss in this video. How many people visited Afghanistan, which areas you need to visit, and which points you need to keep in mind. Tourism is small but growing. Official Taliban tourism figures suggest a jump from about 691 foreign visitors in 2021 to 2,300 in 2022, about 7,000 in 2023, and nearly 9,000 in 2024, with thousands most arriving in 2025 according to the government statements in media reports. Many famous vloggers visited different parts of Afghanistan. They have met people, they have saw the culture, they saw the history, they have visited different parts of Afghanistan, they have visited different provinces of Afghanistan. They have met local people, local culture, local markets. They have filmed Afghanistan reality, showing that it's not what the world imagined. Afghanistan is love, Afghanistan is beauty, people are incredibly hospitable. This is Drew Bensky's statement. Travel vlogger footage shows friendly locals, colorful markets, and spectacular landscape. Many travelers praise Afghanistan hospitality. These tourists have visited Bamiyan, Band Amir, a natural place. They have visited Herat, they have visited Mazar Sharif, they have visited Kabul. In Afghanistan have different natural places to visit. Afghanistan enemies don't present the country in a good light, said Information and Culture Minister Khairullah Khairkhwah. But if these people come and see what is really like, they will definitely share a good image of Afghanistan. So this is what the Minister of Culture said. If these tourists, they come and visit Afghanistan, they will share a good image to the people. However, Afghanistan is not like other country. This 5,000, 10,000 might look very small compared to other countries. For Afghanistan, it's a big number. Afghanistan is not like any other tourist destination, where you might face certain challenges like lack of infrastructure and hotel and many other services, facilities available. Maybe in some areas you find a checkpoint, they might ask you for your security, for your safety. Traveling from one province to another province is not easy. Direct flights, domestic flights are not on a regular basis. So that's why tourists cannot tour the entire country and visit the remote area. Because if you are visiting from Kabul to any other part of Afghanistan, it will take you maybe a day, or maybe it depends. If you are traveling from Kabul to Kandahar, from Kabul to Mazar or Nuristan, there are many other places as well to visit. Like you have history, you are visiting a place for camping, or you are visiting a place to meet local people. These are the small challenges that some travelers are facing. Regarding security, they can easily travel to different parts of Afghanistan. These are only foreigners visiting Afghanistan. However, there are thousands of Afghans that they have visited Afghanistan recently. They didn't visit since 30 years, 40 years. I've met many friends that they visited Afghanistan after 40 years and 30 years, and they saw the videos on YouTube, on different channels, vloggers, that they visited Afghanistan, so they came to Afghanistan as well. To summarize it, Afghanistan is a place where you will see natural beauty, you will meet local people, hospitality, history, and you will find different places to visit. So inshallah, I'm sure you can easily visit Afghanistan, and you are not only visiting Afghanistan, but you are contributing to the economic development of Afghanistan.